Good morning, kids. How are you? Take out your kindergarten mathematics book. Open page number 5151. Firstly, we will write date 22 December 2020. Taking from 10, use the number line to help you. हमने नंबर लाइन को यूज करते हुए सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विच नंबर इज दिस? 10. This is number line. This is number line. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. हम 0 से स्टार्ट करके 10 तक जाएंगे. Go to 10. Which sign is this? Subtraction. माइनस क्या होता? कम होना. एंड विच नंबर इज दिस? 2. माइनस होता कम होना, बैक जाना, गो बैक. इसलिए हम 2 स्टेप बैक जाएंगे. वी विल गो टू 2 स्टेप बैक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10. 1 2. Okay, we will stop on 8. Now we will write 8 here. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. Minus, which number is this? 4. We will come 4 steps back starting from 10. 1 2 3 4. कहाँ पहुँच गए हम? 6 पे. Now we will write 6 here. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. How many steps we will come back? 6 steps. Count with me, beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will stop on 4. And now we will write here 4. This is number 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. Okay, माइनस बैक आना, कम होना. This is number 3. How many steps we will come back? 3. 1 2 3. 3 steps. Where will you stop? 7. Where will we stop? Number 7. And we will write here 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. Can you tell me how many steps we will come back? 7. Count with me, beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। कहाँ पहुँच गए हम? On number 3, and we will write here number 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10 starting from 0. Go to 10. Minus subtraction. Which number is this? 9. How many steps? We will come back 9 steps. Count with me, beta. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9। कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं हम? नंबर 1 पर। और नंबर 1 we will write here 1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Which number is this? 10. We will go to 10 starting from, tell me beta, starting from 0. How many steps? We will come back 8 steps. Count with me, beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Where will we stop? Number 2. We will write number 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Okay, beta. You have to complete page number 5151. Okay, beta.